Is it time to level up your small business? Do you need more room to grow? I have a fantastic commercial space with over 2,700 square feet of usable room. And it comes with this massive space that can be used for workspace, storage, studio, anything you can think of. Opportunities like this don't come around often.